Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cultural insights with Yabla, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale cultural insights with Yabla, start by creating an account on the Yabla platform. Once you've registered, familiarize yourself with the user interface and available tools. Explore the diverse range of cultural content that Yabla offers, including videos and interactive lessons. Identify specific cultural themes or topics relevant to your audience. Utilize the search feature to find videos that align with these themes. After selecting a video, take notes on key cultural insights presented. Incorporate Yabla's built-in learning tools, like vocabulary and grammar explanations, to enrich your understanding. As you watch, pay attention to cultural nuances, such as gestures, customs, and slang. Compile these insights into a structured document for easy access and organization. Share the cultural insights with your team or stakeholders to foster a better understanding. Consider creating customized lesson plans using Yabla's resources for targeted learning experiences. Regularly update your insights by revisiting Yabla's library for new content. Engage with the community through discussion boards to exchange knowledge and perspectives. Utilize analytics features on Yabla to track engagement and effectiveness of the cultural insights. Continuously refine your approach based on feedback and results from your audience. Implement these insights into your communication strategies for more effective engagement. Remember to stay consistent in applying cultural insights to maintain relevance and resonance with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.